Hello, hello! Magandang umaga! Kamusta po kayo mga kachika? Ako po si Juana para sa isa na namang video. Alright, for this video, today we are going boat fishing. Actually, tumakas lang ako para makapagbigay ng intro as James is preparing our stuff na gagamitin namin sa pagbo-boat fishing. So, I hope you stay tuned and tignan natin kung ano yung mangyayari. This will be exciting kasi masyadong malamig yung panahon. We'll see! I'll see you later! Hello! Good morning! Andito kami sa sailing club dito sa Albany. And we are going to go boat fishing. Ayan yung boat. Hawak ko yung tali. And he's just parking the car. Masyadong malamig. I'm actually wearing like 5 layers because it's 4 degrees. I don't like the cold weather. It's a Sunday morning. Mamaya naman magiging mainit na yung panahon. So, let's see.
Green.
Hello! So, nandito kami sa gitna ng tubig. Inside the boat. And we're boat fishing. Nakahuli na ako ng 3 kanina. Pero medyo nahihilo na ako. Kapag umaandar yung boat, okay lang. Pero kapag naka-idle, it's making me seasick. Sana hindi ako masuka. Si 7 kanina pa siya nagpapalit. Grabe. Nakakahilo. Nakakahilo palang nasa tubig.
People go on it quite often.
What happened to this again?
It got beached. It got a big hole in the bottom. Yeah, it's a pigeon on it.
And some crows. How long has it been here for? Really? So rusty and old.
Imagine if you had to spend the night on that.
Oh my god, I can't! Will there be a snake in it? What a thought. Cat? Alive? How will it live? Ooh, this is huge. Yeah.
What do you think?
It's good. It's going pretty good.
Red means left, doesn't it?
This one? So we're done fishing. Actually, most of the time, nag-cruise lang kami kasi, ewan ko ba, nahilo ko. Nakahuli lang ako ng 3. Si James nakahuli ng 1. I beat him. So, kinukuha niya na yung trailer para makabalik na kami kasi it's almost lunchtime. Ayan. Ito yung dyan iaangat yung boat. Ayan, kapag ganitong nakatigil yung motor ng bangka, nahihilo ako. So, he's backing up his car.